In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grammarly in just 5 minutes. Whether you're writing an essay, crafting a professional email, or simply jotting down some thoughts, Grammarly is an invaluable tool that can help enhance your writing by catching errors and providing helpful suggestions. Now, let's dive right in. First, what you'll need to do is head over to your web browser and navigate to grammarly.com. You can do this easily by typing in the URL directly. Once you're on the Grammarly homepage, you'll find an inviting interface that welcomes you to improve your writing. Next, you'll need to log in. If you already have an account, simply enter your credentials. For those of you who are new to Grammarly, this is the perfect opportunity to create an account. It's a straightforward process where you provide some basic information or sign up using your preferred social media account. Once you've successfully logged in, the next step is to start a new document. This is where you can either begin typing your text or, if you have pre-written content, simply paste it into a new document. This feature is very user-friendly and instantly accessible, allowing you to work on the go or refine something you drafted elsewhere. After your text is in place, you'll notice Grammarly start working right away by highlighting issues related to grammar, spelling, punctuation, and writing style. These highlights are color-coded for easy identification, so you can see exactly where your attention is needed. It's like having a personal editor, just a click away. Now, let's talk about how to apply the corrections. You can do this by clicking on the suggestions that Grammarly provides. Each suggestion comes with a brief explanation of why it's being recommended, giving you some insight into not only what needs to be changed, but why it's important. This feature not only helps polish your current piece, but also teaches you valuable lessons to improve your writing skills. If you wish to further tailor your writing, Grammarly offers settings to adjust the tone, formality, or goals of your document. This can be particularly useful if you're aiming to write in a specific style or cater to a particular audience. The final step is to review your text. Give it one last read-through to ensure everything is exactly how you want it. Make any final edits if necessary, and once you're satisfied, you're all set to save or export your document. This might involve downloading it, sharing it directly, or copying it back to your original platform. And there you have it. Harnessing the power of Grammarly is a simple, yet remarkably effective way to elevate your writing. Remember, like any tool, the more you use it, the more you'll get out of it, making those 5 minutes well worth your time.